Hi guys, I hope you all are well. Just before watching my vlog, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the vlog. Then guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today I've come to Star City in Birmingham and I'm going to go inside Shere Khan's restaurant to try out their Indian food. So let's go inside and let's take a look inside. So this is the inside of Shere Khan here. It's quite a busy day today. Lots of people are here. And what I've got here in front of me is Shere Khan's menu. They do a variety of food here. Lots to choose from. Shere Khan also do desserts. Right then guys, so we got our chips. We've got shish kebab with the chutney sauce. So I've got my lamb curry here. And also I've got 2 naans. Right, first of all, let's look at this shish kebab. Wow, freshly cooked, nice and juicy. And let's take a look inside here. Look at that, guys. You can see the herbs and spices on that. Wow, let's give this a taste. Wow, that's really good. Very meaty. You can taste all the flavors in that. And it's really nice. Guys, let's taste the chips. So first of all, nice chips here. Let's give this a taste. That's very nice. Good potato content, really good. Let's taste the chip with the chutney. Wow, really good. Right then guys, so first of all, you can see inside the keema naan, you got keema in there, you got a bit of herbs and spices. So let's give this keema naan a taste with the lamb curry. Look at that. That's really good. In the lamb curry, you can taste lots of flavors coming out. You see the herbs and spices in that lamb curry, and that lamb is very soft, as is a boneless lamb. Very nice. So you can see the lamb here. Look at that, nice and juicy. Let's give this a taste. Very good. Guys, I've just finished my meal and that was really good. Really nice. It's actually the first time I've come to Shere Khan's and it was really nice food. Guys, we also received a fresh wet towel, which is good. And just to let you know as well, the service has been fantastic in Shere Khan. Then guys, the food in Shere Khan was absolutely amazing. So let's finish up the vlog here, everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one.